this is the way I walk every day from my home. I can move back. Yes. Okay. But not forward. So stuck. Okay. I did it. A little bit easier. Okay. Okay. So either I go farther on the street, trying to maneuver like this between those obstacles, or I ask somebody for some assistance.
Can't manage your life properly as a handicapped person.
No, I tried it for the first time, so I don't know exactly, what to
Yes,
what to do. But it's very
very,
difficult. Even this is very difficult.
It's
More
not so
for
difficult.
me, I don't know. Yeah. Oh, okay.
in general, including at home, the lift is too small for handicapped person. And it's very hard to
I see.
get out, to go and buy something or eat something. Disabled people doesn't work and stay home. It's another condition.